All right, let me see. I think this is going to be my new setup. I think it's coming in good. Got the microphone. This distance. I don't think my beard has a little shine. Got this light over here. It's a lampshade or a night stand light. It's kind of cast to the back a little bit. Let's go. It's funny how, when you set this stuff up or you just watch a couple of videos and you start to learn exactly what you were doing wrong, right? So one of them is I'm sitting here playing the movie in the background, which I should have paused, but I don't want to change it. I want to keep it authentic. I want to keep going. I want to keep, keep it thorough. So this is going to be my first setup. So hopefully it comes out real nice. But anyway, one of the things I'm learning, and I appreciate the people that are helping me set this up, is value, right? So oftentimes in the past when I'm setting up something, I just want to go, right? So what I'm learning, and from each one of you content creators and I want to just call y'all influencers, but YouTubers, right? Showing and helping people set this up, right? And what it took for you to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, from 10,000 or 1,000 subscribers to 10,000 and so on. I mean, it's not like everybody can be Mr. Beast or Patrick Bet-David and his group, or so many other different folks like Kai the streamer and different things, but I definitely appreciate each one of you making these videos. So hopefully I'm doing it justice with this setup as I, kind of begin my journey on YouTube. I've actually been on YouTube for some time, but like I said, I was doing all the wrong things. So what I found recently is I haven't crossed over 1,000 subscribers yet. So I'm hoping that this will actually do it, but also because I am inspired with the setup, I actually put in a little bit extra work. And by putting in extra work, I forgot the YouTube creator's name, but she was talking about a book by Seth Godin called The Dip. And so in The Dip, it explained like, as you start, it's gonna go down. But in that dip, that's your opportunity to learn, right? And it benefits you because it separates people who really want it from the people who just, I just want to set it up and run real quick. And I think for some time there, that's exactly how I was approaching it, right? Because I was like, you know what? I don't need to listen to this. I can do it. And, it's a real humbling experience, right? But until you actually want it, it's like they said, what is it called? When the student is ready, the teacher appears. I think I went through that about 3 or 4 or 5 times, right? So, I mean, it's just a process, and I find myself going through it, but especially today, I'm really appreciative to the guy who helped me. I mean, it's just one of those things. It's like when I'm showing, and wherever I get to a place where I'm appreciative and thankful, it's just somehow everything just gets better, right? I mean, it feels a little weird because I got the little light over there, right? And it's kind of not shining on me, but I mean, I'm sitting there holding the golf club too, because it's like trying to give my hand something to do, but also to keep my train of thought, right? I'm going off top of the head, right? So, I mean, this is usually what my personality is. This is what people that know me always see. But the thing about it is, it's different, right? And so I'm actually talking into a camera, whereas usually when I'm having conversation, I'm actually talking to a person. So what another creator says, like, treat the camera like it's your friend, or you're talking to a friend or having a conversation with someone that you always have a conversation with, right? I mean, it's almost like I just want to pull up a cigar, right? And so by doing this, I think I'm actually figuring it out. Well, only time will tell, right? Hopefully, you guys will let me know what I'm doing wrong add some comments below. I'm not scripted, right? So that's one of the things I can change. I can write a script. I got my whiteboard, so I can position it somewhere to go through my topics. But for my journey on this YouTube, I wanted it to be what it's being right now. It's some type of education, but also inspiration and hopefully some type of entertainment, because I'm usually not just sitting around. I like doing things. So this one of my journeys is learning how to be a content creator, learning YouTube, building it up as big as I can, and using it as a tangent to some of the other things I'm doing. This is one of those things that I want to be able to have conversations with people, but open to have conversations with myself, to just walk through the journey, right? This thing called life, right? So if anything, I will learn something, and hopefully I will definitely get better on each step while I'm doing this. So hopefully I'm not hitting the microphone or anything. This is impromptu. I just got done setting it up. So thank you very much. I'm very appreciative. Even if you decide not to subscribe, I hope you do. But if not, leave me some comments. Let me know if the background is too distracting. Let me know if the screensaver should be on, if the TV should go off. But I just wanted to come through as authentic as I could with this first video. This is my first video with this setup. I've already taped it off, and it feels good, right? It really does. So thank you once again.